This is the Presidio la Bahia, who at various times in its history were under 9 flags. This building is the only fort that survived west of the Mississippi through its beginning to now. A presidio is basically a walled fort to be used for protection from other countries and also from the natives. Although in this particular case, the natives were not necessarily after the Spanish. The fame and history that keeps this fort relevant is the fact that after the Alamo, Texas volunteers arrived and took over this fort. Later, some Spanish came and took it back. And those men that fought here were told that maybe they would be spared and sent home. Was up to Santa Anna. Well, Santa Anna got the information and said, nope, take them out and shoot every one of them. So about 40 of them survived, and then they were lined up inside the walls of the fort and killed. Since when? I thought she didn't like chats with moderators.
When possible, make a U-turn.